So the first step is to pull them. That didn't work. Then you tap it gently with a hammer. He grabbed a steel dead blow hammer. That was handy. You won't hit it very hard with a steel hammer because you can break pieces of that cast off real easy. Who cares? We're throwing the drums out anyway, but it's just dangerous to break them. Since tapping gently with the steel dead blow hammer didn't work, Mark's going to remove the little protective window insert for the brake adjustment. They're automatic adjusting brakes, but they still have a window in them so you can adjust them and back them off. Mark is thinking that there's enough wear in these drums so that the brake shoes will be touching it hard enough to keep the drums from coming off. So he's got let's show him that tool. He's got a tool designed specifically for adjusting drum style brakes. A screwdriver is okay as well, but this just works a whole lot easier. And there's an adjuster wheel in there. It's a star wheel. It has like 15-20 points on it, and he's going to turn it hopefully the right direction long enough so that it can turn easily and come right off. If it doesn't come right off after he backs the brake off, there's 2 more tools that we can try, 3 more tools we can try, but they will come off. They always do. So after loosening up the brake, he's tap a little bit more and see if they come off.